Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege ntị. My name is Nwada Amala, onye nkuzi Igbo, your Igbo teacher. In today's episode, we will learn about the Igbo alphabet, known as mkpụrụ edemede or abidi Igbo. The Igbo alphabet consists of 36 letters, 28 consonants, and 8 vowels, unlike the English alphabet, which has 26 letters. Notably, the Igbo alphabet does not include the letters Q and X. The Igbo alphabets are A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, A, G, K, P, W, L, M, N, W, W, N, O, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, O, U, V, W, Y, Z. Let's read it again. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, A, G, K, P, W, L, M, N, W, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, O, V, W, N, Z. The 8 vowels known as Odaome are A, E, I, O, U, while the consonants are B, Ch, D, F, G, W, Y, W, H, G, K, P, W, L, M, N, W, N, P, R, C, Sh, T, V, W, Y, Z. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on the Igbo alphabet. See you in the next episode where we'll be talking about Igbo numbers. Kodinu, see you again.